in this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can fix your corrupted Excel file really easily. And the third method will work for 100% of the time. So first of all, let me just show you my corrupted Excel file, which is this one. Here you can see this is heavily corrupted Excel file. So I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can fix it. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to open your Excel. Here you can see Excel. Just click on this and it will open something like this. So here just don't open your corrupted Excel file directly. What you need to do is that over here you will see this open option. So you need to click on open. Then you will see this. Here you can see browse. Then click here browse. Then you need to select your corrupted Excel file, which is this one, and don't just open it. Here you will see this arrow option. Click on this arrow, and here at the bottom you will see this option open and repair. So if you now just click here, it will show you a pop-up that do you want to repair it or something like that. So here just click on repair, then click here yes, then click on next, and click on finish. So if there is minor corruption, then this method will be able to fix your Excel file. But if there is heavy damage, then this method cannot repair your Excel file. So there is two more methods that I want to show. Now let's move to the second method. Sometimes Excel causes error because of mismatched file format. And I'm going to show you how you can solve that. First of all, let me just close this, and here you can see I have a blank Excel. Right now I'm going to click on file, then go down, and here you can see options. So you need to click on options. Then here you will see this save option. Click on save. Then here you can see save or books. And here you can see save files in this format. So you need to choose the format for your Excel file, the corrupted Excel file. So here you can see I have the Excel file over here. So let me just show you how you can check the format. You just need to right click on this file, then go to properties, and here you can see it is showing me the format, which is Microsoft Excel 97 2003 worksheet.xls. So what you need to do is that in the Excel you need to choose that. Here you can see Excel 97 2003 Outlook XLS. You need to select this, then click on OK. After that, all you need to do is that you just need to reopen your Excel file, and there you can see the error is still there. So right now I'm going to show you the third method, and this method will work 100% of the time for sure. And that is by using a tool. So let me just close the Excel first. And right now what we'll do is that we'll just go to our browser, and in the search option, I'm going to search for Stellar Repair for Excel. Then I'm going to press enter, and here you can see Excel Repair tool to fix corrupt Excel files. So you need to click here, and here it will take you to this page, and I will also give this page link in the description. Just check it out, and here you can see free download button. If you just click here, it will download a exe file. I'm going to click on download, and here you can see a exe file is downloaded. So we need to double click on this downloaded file, and it will show you this. Okay, let me just minimize it. And here you can see next button. Just click on next, and you need to accept the agreement. Click on next, and here you can choose where you want to install Stellar Repair for Excel. So just keep the default location, then click on next. Click on next again, and create a desktop shortcut. Select this, then click on next. Then click on install. It will take a few seconds to install, and it's done. So right now, if we click on finish, it will launch the software. There you can see. So right now, here you can see select file option. I'm just going to close this for now. And if we now click here, select file, it will show you this. So here, just click on browse. And from here, you need to choose your corrupted Excel file. So the corrupted Excel file is here. And here you can see the Excel file corrupted. I'll just select this, click on this, then click on open. So there you can see the Excel file is selected. Right now, what you need to do is that just select the file and click on repair. So once you click on the repair button, here you can see repairing file in quick scan mode. And if you go down, you will see a log report as well. And there you can see it is complete. So right now, okay, let me just show you at the bottom there you can see status file repaired successfully. And if you now just click here, it will show you a preview. And right now here at the top here you can see save file option. If you now click on save file, so here you can see you can save the file in default location and you can also save the file in different location as well. So for it, just click on browse and let's say I'll choose documents, then click on OK, then click on OK as well. So it will save our corrupted file in the documents folder. Click here OK. And right now we'll go to our folder and we'll go to our documents folder, and here you can see repaired on file. So let's just open it. Let me just double click here, and there you can see our corrupted Excel file is repaired. So this is how you can really easily fix your corrupted Excel file using Stellar Repair for Excel. And it just took a few seconds to repair our file. So I'll also just keep the download link for this in the description. Just check it out. So those were the three methods that you can use to repair your Excel file. Which method worked for you? Just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.